Hello, all. Myself Professor Girish Nole. I'm working as assistant professor in Computer Engineering Department of AISSMS IOIT. And today I am here to give the introduction of encryption and decryption process of cybersecurity. Okay. So here, encryption, you can see the encryption and decryption process, the architecture diagram. Okay. So here, there is one sender and actually sender sends a plain text message, okay, to receiver. So whenever a hacker gets the information about that particular message, hacker can directly access get the control of the message. Okay. So here, what sender is doing? Sender is sending a message. Sender is converting while sending a message. Sender converts a plain text message into a cipher text. Let's see what is plain text and what is cipher text. Plain text is the normal text, the text as it is. Cipher text, that means applying some different characters to particular plain text, that is cipher text. So sender using some key encrypts the plain text message and convert it into unreadable format by using a particular key. Now, after that encryption process, the message gets converted into cipher text. Now, while encrypting the message, the sender uses two types of key. One is symmetric key and other one is asymmetric key. Symmetric key means both sender and receiver are using same key for sending and receiving, that is symmetric key. And both when a sender is using a different key and receiver is using different key, that is a asymmetric key. So in this, both they can use send symmetric key as well as asymmetric key. Sender sends symmetric key. Sender sends the message by using symmetric key, encrypt the message, and convert the message into cipher text. Now that cipher text message travels through internet to the receiver side. Now this is a normal cipher text that is as it is given to receiver. Now the receiver is decrypting. Now the receiver is decrypting. Decrypting means what? The receiver has some key. If both has sender and receiver has same key, then they use the same key. But if receiver has different key, then the receiver decrypt that message by using that particular key, and the receiver gets the control of the message. So what is the beneficial encryption and decryption process? So the receiver here decrypt the message and receiver get the message which is sent by the sender. So encryption, we can say define that converting a plain text message into unreadable format, that is encryption process. Now what is decryption process? Converting the unreadable format into a plain text, that is decryption process. So this is the encryption and decryption process. But so this encryption and decryption process, it makes they are using different algorithms for making the message more secure. It is not the case that only a particular algorithm is applicable. They can use multiple algorithms for making the multiple bits keys to make the algorithm more secure. So encryption and decryption process, it is very difficult for the hacker to hack the message because different combinations of plain text as well as cipher text, they are traveling through the internet. So it's very difficult for the hacker to get the control of the message. So this is the encryption and decryption process benefit, that it makes the algorithm more secure and more. So in banking transaction process, online transaction process, this encryption and decryption process are used. Okay. So basically symmetric key is the difference between symmetric key and asymmetric key is that symmetric key is less secure but asymmetric key is more secure. But symmetric key is faster and asymmetric key is slower. Symmetric key, as we are using same key, the time required for the process is very less. But whenever the hacker gets that particular key, the hacker can access the information very easily. But in decryption process, the hacker has different key, and encryption process the hacker sender has the different key. So it makes the message more difficult for access. It makes more difficult. But for decryption process, the time required for the process is much more as compared to symmetric key, but the message is more secure. So this is all about encryption and decryption process, which to make the message transmission more secure. So this is all about encryption and decryption process.